Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to replace Samsung S21 Ultra front screen. You can see front screen is broken. We are using this blade so that we can make a gap between the LCD and the back glass and use some alcohol so that we can remove the back glass easily. Wherever you feel that a card is not moving forward smoothly, use the alcohol. To heating up this phone, I use this heating plate. You can use hair dryer. When we heated up the phone, it's easier to remove the back glass. Now it's time to remove all the screws. I don't know why on this phone screws are very tighten, and I have to do some struggle for opening them. Normally it's not like that. Please remove the glue around the front camera. If you not, then you can damage your front camera. Make sure remove this glue very carefully. Must remove this flex and install it on your replacement LCD. If you not, your GPS or navigation will not work properly. Here is our new LCD. Most of the new LCD come with the GPS flags. If your one don't have, then use previous one. Put this one, but we will keep it safe. Yes. Now it's time to put everything back on their original places. Please put everything back very carefully because each and every part has its own importance. Please make sure all the flashes